Debenhams, I picked up this blazer. I bought these sandals. You can get these in a brown. So we are off to H&M today because, as you just saw, I had like my little cleaning session. Dining table is looking a bit blank. It's looking a bit plain, plain, because I moved the vase right to the computer desk. But the reason being is because I saw when I was walking in, I saw in H&M when I was walking past the other day, they got my vase back in stock. But there's this vase, my son broke it. I originally bought it like over a year ago. My son broke it. That really sad because, you know, he broke my vase. I really love that vase. And then I saw they had it back in stock and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to make space for her again in my living room. I'm gonna go put on my shoes. I'm wearing this blazer from Mango, t-shirt from Primark, jogging bottoms Primark, and my River Island trainers. I'm gonna need to go and look in the mirror if I look good as well, because I've never worn like a blazer this like green shade with jogging bottoms. I want to know if it looks good or not. Yeah. And then later on I'm gonna have like I'm gonna wash and condition my hair. Yeah, it's due for a wash and condition, and do skincare as well. I need to exfoliate. I've been wearing like this turban for over 2 weeks now. I just can't be bothered with my hair, but I'm starting that point where I am starting to get bothered with my hair. I bought skincare products to look after my skin, so soon I'll just be like in a regular routine to look after myself. So, talking too much, let's go. So I picked up the vase and I really like it on my table. I like things that look really like unique and statement pieces. Yeah. Statement home furniture, like small statement home furniture, those type of things. But yeah, what I also got in H&M was this top. So right now H&M have a sale on, but yeah, I got this top. It's like You can see all those like little holes. It's like a floral type of top. But yeah, I believe it was like £11 on here. It was £11. I did order something online. I have to pick that up. I might pick it up today. I don't know. I am going to the shops quite late today. Well, I'll show you on my next vlog. From Debenhams, I picked up this blazer. I was a bit worried about the pockets because you can see the pockets details go this way, right? Whereas the whole blazer lines go down like that. I don't know, horizontal, vertical, whatever you call it. But yeah, I was a bit worried, but like now it's arrived, it doesn't really matter. I really like the blazer because they were selling this on Sainsbury's, and the one in Sainsbury's it's sold out. So I couldn't get the one in Sainsbury's, but it's literally the same thing, right? It's just the same blazer. So I was like, let me just go and find it somewhere else. And like these blazers are like, they're always gonna be around. But the main reason why I got the blazer was because I had these trousers, same style trousers, but these ones were from Asda George, and I got these for like £6. Yeah, I remember I got these. So yeah, they're like, you can see that one has stripes, and it's both of them are navy, but I feel like this one is more navy. And now that it's arrived, obviously it's from two different companies, you're not going to have the same stripes. I don't know, maybe like if I wash this, the white might fade, or maybe because I have washed this one, it has faded a little. I don't know if I have washed this actually, I don't think so. But yeah, there's two different types of navies. It's not like a bad thing, it's still like they still match in some sort of way. Yeah, I'm really into like a blazer suit type of wear. I literally did a wardrobe declutter. I've decluttered things in my wardrobe that I'm like, I kept it for such a long time, wasn't wearing them, and I've just told myself I don't wear them, and then in the near future I just don't feel like I want to wear them anymore. So I'm just letting go of stuff, some really nice stuff that I was like, oh, when I lose weight I'm gonna wear that, but then I'm like, I'm evolving. I don't want to, my style is changing. I'm telling myself just let go and just like selling stuff. Yeah, so I'm just letting go of stuff. But in Sainsbury's, I bought a whole bunch of stuff in Sainsbury's that I can't do I can't fit it all in this video. It would make the video long and boring. So I'm just gonna break them down in like videos to come. But I'm gonna show you some jeans I got in Sainsbury's, because I did 2 trips in Sainsbury's the past 2 weeks. The first one they had like 25% off, and then the other day I went again, but the 25% off deal was already over for like over a week. So this week I popped in, I got these jeans. These are barrel leg jeans. I really recommend, if like, these are like a really nice, they're like a better version of mum jeans. Yeah, I've tried mum jeans, I feel like it just doesn't work well with my shape. These barrel ones, oh, they were £22 and I absolutely loved them. I tried them on last night because I bought it since Wednesday and today's Saturday, and like last night I was like, I need to try, I forgot I brought them. I was like, let me try those jeans on. Like, oh, fell in love, absolutely fell in love. You can see I'm a plus size, but yeah, I love, what made me fall in love with them, I don't know what it is, but it's like this detail, and then it's like how it's, you know, you can see like how it just like towards the end of the legs it starts to like, yeah, I like that like sort of like fitted type of feel. I really like this, and it complements well with like, because I am on plus size and, you know, obviously I have big legs. Yeah, it just complements my shape very well, and that's nice. It's really nice, because lately I've just been looking at myself and thinking, you're so big, and it's, I tell myself, even though I am on the weight loss journey, I'm on a proper weight loss journey. Like, your girl has even dropped, I've not fully dropped, I've stopped eating bread as more as I usually do. Before it was every day, now it's like twice a week I would eat bread. Yeah, I am seriously starting on my health journey. Like, I've told myself, even though I'm on a weight loss journey, I don't want to stress myself out. I want to do it naturally. I want to have a diet change that is like permanent. I'm on that diet change. I told myself I need to find stuff that make me look good in this weight. So I'm not looking in the mirror, I'm like, oh, you're so big. I'm changing. Wardrobe change. Becoming comfortable with myself, figuring out my style. I like to look good, even though I'm plus size, and I feel like that is possible. 25% off everything, clothing wise. I bought these sandals. You can get these in a brown, right? These sandals. I've already worn them like a handful of times, but I fell in love with this buckle detail. I went in the store and originally I was going to buy the brown one. It's like a tan, yeah, tan type of colour, but yeah, I just felt like the black one just looked good on my legs, but the brown one is nice. I really like it. If it does go on sale, I might consider getting it. This was, I believe, somewhere around 18 or 20, but you can find it online. These trainers, I've already worn them, yeah, but they have like this navy detail. I should have just wiped them down before I showed you. You can see how chunky it is. If you wipe it down, these look like some really good quality trainers for anyone. That they're so good, I feel like men can rock them. They look so nice. If they go on sale, I might get my daughter, because she's due some new trainers. I'm looking at her shoes and I'm like, we need some new like shoes. Yeah, if they go on sale, I might get my daughter, depending on if she likes it. She's quite picky. But yeah, I got, these was £18, but I got it during the 25% off, so they went down to like 15. Yeah, 15. So it was nice. These shoes, I got them the same time I got the jeans, which was early on this week. These shoes, you can, do you see the quality on that? £22. Yeah, yeah, £22 there. Absolutely love these. I got the kids some stuff. So 2 of the boys have this shirt. My younger boy, I couldn't get his size, but like these t-shirts with like headphones on them. So 2 of the boys have them. Lovely, such good quality. I recommend like going down to Sainsbury's, like even if just grabbing one shirt for your little one every like week during the food shop, it's still good. I got another one, this one with like are these palm trees? Yeah, these ones look so lovely with dark blue jeans. I think this one was like somewhere reduced to like £3. And then this one was 4. Yeah, this one was 4. And obviously 25% off, I don't know, 2 something, right? Or 3.50. No, £3, yeah, £3. Look, do you see that lovely detail? Just so nice. So nice. That was my haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Again, I told you I bought a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna break them down in my videos, in my vlog videos. I'm gonna try and do like the hauls in the beginning of the videos to make it more interesting. Yeah, I'll try and do that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I need to pop out to the shops and do a food shop. And yeah, bye bye.